And I'm going to start with you, Prakash Raj, because you have perhaps been the most vociferous that I've seen an actor certainly be in recent times about the politics of Hindutva. Why does Prakash Raj get so angry when he reacts to the politics of Hindutva? Prakash Raj ko gussa kyun aata hai? Is it that Hindutva politics you believe is unsuited to the politics of the South? Or are you against Hindutva politics per se, Prakash Raj?
Good afternoon, everyone. I would actually request this heading to be changed. It's a fight between the cultured and not cultured. When you're talking about Hindutva, I think all religions of this world, whether it is Hinduism, Christianity, Muslim, or Jain, Sikh, or the Lingayat, what we are talking today, must have come into place because of the well-being of the human being. They really have great philosophies in them. But over the period of time, the interpreters or the so-called intelligent guys have taken it away from the common man, and the rituals are looking like religion. And the Hindutva these people are trying to put is that. So those sort of politics will not work in Karnataka.
No, what is it? When you say today that they are trying to put rituals, what is it about Hindutva that you believe is so troubling to you? What is it? Specifically tell me, what is it that troubles you so much that you're so angry about it?
You don't talk about Hindutva when somebody is speaking about the preamble of a constitution. You come and sprinkle Gomutra here. Then they should drink a glass of Gomutra every day. It's a ritual. You don't say that to us. If Yogi ji, he's talking about Hindutva, and if one Balika has a problem, has been taken by a Muslim, one community, he can't call saying that 100 Balikas will bring. He can't say that he will create a rapist society. You know, that's not what I'm talking about. That's not accepted at all.
So Karnataka will not accept that kind of Hindu.
You will see it when the results come. You will see it. You know, we are a very tolerant. See, any religion or any Hindutva, this thing, it should be compassionate and tolerant about others. They are talking about monoculture. See, let us talk about natural justice. You know, I believe in evolution. Monocultures don't work. I'll just tell you, if you have a few minutes of time, I come from a farm. I'm close to the earth nowadays because of my being a farmer also now. And there is a pond where birds come from 2,000, 3,000 kilometers and come there. Because there is diversity, and that is how an ecosystem lives. Without diversity, a society cannot be healthy. That's not how it is. What is culture? It is nature versus nurturing. You have to take from everything. You should give a feeling that everybody can live here. Everybody can be in harmony. And this is what the so-called Hindutvas are doing.
So your definition of Kannadiga culture is essentially a culture of harmony, of pluralism, of diversity.
Yes.
And you believe Hindutva is against that?
The sort of Hindus that they are propagating, it doesn't work here in this country. So when Malavika ji talks about Hinduism being a tolerant religion, I did not deny it, did I? I am looking at the behavioral pattern of your party. I am talking about what Anant Kumar Hegde says.
And I think he was just talking about Anant Kumar Hegde, your leader, who wants to review the constitution of this country. Yes, Prakash Raj, complete. Is there a reverse hatred that you have towards the BJP, RSS that guides your views about their vision of culture?
Yeah, because they are good speakers. What they speak, they don't practice, is my problem. It's nice to hear debates and nice to have a lip service, but that's not the truth in reality. BJP is a party which has no ideology. It works for some other Sangh. It's obvious everywhere. When you come to power, you don't behave as a government. You want to push in some ideologies into us, which is not accepted as a human being, as a citizen of this country. When Anant Kumar Hegde, a central minister, talks of wiping out of religion, your party doesn't condemn him. when he calls Dalits dogs, or if seculars like us, if he questions the parenthood of my family, you don't question him. What do you mean? Silence also speaks, madam. Just don't give us speeches. Practice, behave.
He asked me to wait,
Behave.
Mr. Prakash Raj. I
Behave.
was asked to wait.
Today we have one postcard website, which is a serial offender of creating hatred, bringing fake news. Why are all the BJP leaders behind him, supporting him? Please go into that postcard this thing and talk about it. Today, when we're talking about cultural war, we are looking at your behavioral pattern. You know what culture is? All of us are artists here. We need to be more sensitive. Do you know what is the pain of somebody dying in your family, losing a son? Wait, let me finish it. The culture of any religion or any human being is, the imam who lost a son yesterday in the riots in Bengal said, don't communalize this. I will go if you want. Don't hate. That is culture. You going there and say, I will skin you, is unculture. Okay?
I have to respond to
Behave
that. One second.
properly.
No, one
We
second.
don't
One second,
want
one
to
second. I
hear
need to
your
respond to
speeches
this.
here.
But Prakash Raj, I asked you about this sort of competitive mutt politics.
See, this is what I'm saying. They just speak about it. So we, as the citizens of the country, are looking at their behavioral patterns. We are seeing what they are saying between lines, is what I'm worried about.
Give me an example.
How many more examples do you need?
Give me one right now.
When
Right-
Hegde
right
speaks, they are silent. When
May
he
I
talks
speak
about, wait,
this
let
whole
me
secular
finish.
debate?
Let him finish. Yes, ma'am. Yes, go ahead.
When he talks, you should remove one religion from the face of this earth. They are keeping quiet. They still make him the union minister. When he is talking, he is supposed to be a minister of, what is that? Skill development. And he has the audacity to say, instead of talking about skill development in a meeting, he says majority is becoming minority and minority is becoming majority because of their after marriage skills. Is that the language he speaks? What is he talking about? What is he talking about? I mean, their behavior, just being silent about it.
Is the entire BJP RSS to be held responsible for the irresponsible statements of one minister?
At least they should become responsible and throw him out because he's putting mud on them. Today, they have brought in certain laws, and when there is a constitution, when a court says a film, let us not forget past, the film should not be released. Our mandated governments see Karni Sena creating havoc, and they look at the other way. They have given today love jihads. Youngsters of my country who are in love, on all other days they don't have a problem. On February 14th, they see people taking sticks and going and stoning them, hitting them, and they're silent about it. Their behavior is speaking. Don't give us all this lip
Have
service.
you-
Let me finish. When Amit Shah
know one
ji
thing.
always talks about 21 murders of RSS, he comes to Mangalore. Some other beating has happened, and he suddenly claims he was a BJP guy, and somebody has to correct him. No. That means it's there to communalize things. It's in their edge. I'm talking about this rhetoric, this narrative they
May
are
I
doing.
speak about this?
I'm not
Secular?
talking
Is
against.
that a long,
I'm not talking
word?
against Hinduism. Whenever I talk against these people who have made rituals into religions, who are trying to put in this monoculture into us, they comfortably call me a communist. They call me anti-Hindu. No.
So when Siddharamaiah remembers the name Ram in his...
He's not going to talk about it.
it's okay.
That's fine.
He's
It's
not going to
okay.
talk about it.
It is okay.
So it's only the hatred that you are against.
I am
When-
worried about this hatred. Let him go to temple. Let him go to Dargah. Why are you worried about Siddharamaiah and Rahul Gandhi going to temples?
When the BJP claims that Muslims who have been accused in various crimes are being released by the Siddharamaiah government, how do you then respond?
Question it. You question it. What is Yogi Adityanath doing in UP?
What is he doing?
What is he
Total
doing?
138 communal violence cases have been taken back. And cases against him has been taken back.
What about the 1,700?
But at the same
This is a
time,
very skewed audience, I must say.
No, one minute.
Mr. Prakash Raj, India is a sovereign democratic republic. This is the original preamble of the Indian Constitution.
Preamble doesn't say
Hang
India
on,
is a
sir.
Hindu nation. They have nothing else to do. These BJP guys, this
Siddaramaiah
politics-
has nothing else to do. I am sorry. Siddaramaiah has nothing else to do. There was no Tipu Jayanti before 2015.
This is their problem.
Let him now
They
respond.
have lost years. They don't hear, they don't listen. They just want to talk. Will you please? He has asked me a question. Can I answer?
Yeah, please answer it. We have run out of time. We have just a couple of minutes.
आपने तो
They-
आंसर किया पहले लाइन में तो आपने एक्यूज
No,
किया
no, no.
आपने तो आंसर किया सर
Babul, you are being very unfair now. Let him
नो
respond.
बट आप
No,
एक
no,
एक
you are
शब्द
being
बोल रहे
extremely.
हैं let him
Let him
say
unfair. Yeah, go ahead, Prakash.
The question we are asking them is you are talking, bringing one religion, one culture. It is very
No, we
clear.
are not.
Your answer to because
give
Tipu
me a chance
Jayanti,
which is not
because
interrupted.
in every speech the issue of Tipu Jayanti is being raised by the BJP. Respond.
Yeah, they'll raise it. They will divert things. They'll not talk about the major things what we are talking about. Answer the question. That's exactly you. Let me know.
Do you believe that this country should, that Karnataka should celebrate Tipu Jayanti?
It can celebrate Tipu Jayanti. It can celebrate whatever it wants. I want to celebrate secularism in this country. I want to celebrate the right to question of a citizen in this country. I want a peaceful society in this country, which BJP will not give, and that's why I'm against them.
Okay. Your focus.
I am focused. See, here there are BJP people, Congress people here. I'm the only fellow who is a citizen of this country, who hasn't got anything else.
You're sure
Okay,
of
no
that?
agendas.
You're
no
sure
agendas.
of that?
Yes, I'm very sure.
Tomorrow,
of
if
it.
Siddaramaiah offers you a Rajya Sabha seat, will you join the Congress and enter the
There
Rajya
are enough
Sabha?
people in Congress government who are worthy
you
to
will
be
you
a-
join direct answer
I'm
boss
telling- because there are
direct
enough
answer
people,
please
there are enough people who are more worthier than me there.
डायरेक्ट
Okay?
आंसर सर आप करेंगे कि या नहीं हर
नहीं
चीज
बोला
में
ना
आप
मैंने।
पहले बोल देते फिर बोलते मुझे
अरे
जवाब देने
कितने
दो
बार आपको
अरे
काम
बोलो
नहीं
तो सर
है।
हाँ बोलो ना यार
1000 साल से बोल रहा हूँ मुझे
अरे आप भी
active
बोलो ना
politics
कि आप
नहीं
जाओगे
चाहिए।
नहीं जाओगे ना बोलो ना सिर्फ
ना
one word
बोल
answer।
दिया ना अभी।
तो खत्म होगी बात वी गॉट इट थैंक यू सो मच
Recorded. हाँ चलो.
अच्छा,
He's
मैं-
very happy because you don't have to fight me there.
Okay. Let's leave
ये
it there.
कहाँ से आ गया